Hey there, and welcome back to another episode of What's Up with Nick and Chuck. I am Andy, the marketing guy from HUI, and on the line with me again today, I have Nick Rolfe and Chuck Schwarz. They are our business development directors here at HUI.
Hey, Andy.
Hey, Andy.
So today I want to talk about standard medical carts. So Nick, can you kind of tell me a little bit about how HUI started down the path of a standard medical cart lineup?
Absolutely. So about 10 years ago, Andrew, we developed a cart called the VersaStart cart, and it's a center post column cart that is for a small device. And over the past 6 years here, we found we had an overwhelming response to developing two types of cart. One, which is a offset column cart, where we can hold heavier devices as well as offer drawer kits and other accessory kits that aren't able to be offered on a center post column cart. We also have a large device cart that we recently developed, but today we're going to focus on talking specifically about the VersaPlus cart that we've just launched.
All right. Hey, Chuck, can you maybe talk about some of the features or options that come with this new standard cart?
So we were able to come to the drawing board with the VersaPlus and have a pretty good laundry list of items that we know that customers are going to want available for that product. So we know right off the bat that we're going to take and create multiple drawer configurations to live at the bottom of that cart. Storage is always of the essence in most of these applications, and having various drawer configurations available to customers is going to be important. So with some of the sample audience that we've sent those out to, we've gotten great reviews in regards to that. Another option that we take and make available for customers is there's going to be some standard accessories made available for the top. One of them is going to be a probe holder. So various applications require a handheld device. That handheld device is typically living at the top of the cart. So we have an area established for that specifically. There's also going to be made available pull-out keyboard tray. So in a lot of applications, it's not uncommon for us to have various ARM configurations for single or dual monitors. Whenever there's a single or dual monitor configuration, a lot of times people want their keyboard and they want a mouse. So having that pull-out drawer configuration and work surface is going to be one of those standard accessories that are made available.
This cart definitely seems very versatile. So what kind of markets or departments do you guys see this cart really fitting into?
It truly is a cart that can be used in many different segments within medical, whether it's ventilator or cardiology. If there needs to be a cylinder tank bracket created for an E-style cylinder tank, the cart can be used in a wide variety of applications.
All right. Well, that was a lot of great information about our brand new standard cart, the VersaPlus. If anybody does have any more questions about the cart, I will definitely provide the link back to our website so you can get some more information about the cart. Also, I would like to thank Nick and Chuck for being on the call with me again today. At the end of the video, I will definitely provide their contact information. So if you have questions and you want to reach out to them directly, please do so. They're very helpful and would love to help.
Thanks, Andy. Talk to you soon.
Thanks for joining us. Take care, guys.